Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix the most common PC problems without spending a single penny. Yep, you heard me right. No wallet required. If your computer's acting up, before you panic or run to the repair shop, try these simple steps. First up, the classic, my PC won't turn on. I know, it's scary, but don't freak out. Double check that your power cable is plugged in tight at the wall, and make sure it's plugged in tight at the computer. Still nothing? Try a different outlet, or swap the power cable if you have a spare. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. Next, let's tackle the blue screen of death. That dreaded blue screen can look intimidating, but it's often caused by loose RAM or dusty components. Power down your PC, unplug it. Carefully open the side panel. Gently remove your RAM sticks, then pop them back in. Blow out any dust with a can of compressed air. If you don't have one, a gentle puff of air will do. Boot it up and see if that did the trick. Now, if your computer feels slower than a snail, don't rush to buy new parts. Open up your task manager or hit Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Check what's hogging your memory, or CPU. Sometimes it's just too many background apps. Right-click on the offenders and hit End Task. Search for startup apps in Windows. Turn off what you don't need. Got no sound? Make sure your audio isn't muted, and that the cables are plugged in. Right-click the sound icon. Select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Let Windows do its thing. Internet crawling or not connecting? Unplug your router. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Right-click the Wi-Fi icon and run the troubleshooter. If that doesn't work, forget the network, then reconnect. Finally, if your computer keeps freezing or crashing, check for Windows updates, or update outdated drivers. Open Settings. Click Update and Security. Smash that Check for Updates button. So, before you shell out cash or call in the pros, try these fixes. You'd be surprised how many problems you can solve yourself, just by staying calm and following a few simple steps. Let me know in the comments which trick worked for you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more $0 tech tips. See you next time.